Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse, and say hello to a brand new series where I focus on bringing you guys some awesome, super underrated tech gadgets, balancing not just functionality but also cost. So hopefully it's not going to break the bank. So let's start things off with Mystery Box Episode 1, the Redragon.
What's in the box? Who's in the box? What's in the box?
So say hello to the Redragon K628 PRO 75% 3-mode wireless RGB gaming keyboard, 78 keys hot swappable compact mechanical keyboard with hot swap, free mod PCB socket, dedicated arrow keys and numpad red switch. Oof, what a name. So if you guys want to grab one for yourselves, links down below. Not only does it have some great user reviews, but also costs about £69. Now first off, let's take a quick look at the packaging itself. The Redragon comes with a sleek black box with a ton of images and key features highlighted, such as being dustproof, RGB ready, allowing you to connect not only through Bluetooth but also a USB dongle. Even though it is a little bit battered and bruised from the Amazon warehouse, overall the unboxing experience is quite unique, and I do have to say I love this dragon logo. Now within the box itself, you of course get the keyboard, tools to change the caps, which are the buttons themselves, as well as another one to change the switches, which give you that tactile feeling whenever you press down on the buttons, a Type-C charging cable, as well as a couple spare switches, just in case you end up damaging some of them. Now the reason I decided to go with the Redragon over something a little bit cheaper, such as the Newman GM610, all well known from the Keychron, is the fact that it comes in a compact form size with a premium feel at half the price of a Keychron without compromising on some advanced level keyboard features. But on top of that, the true deciding factor was definitely the default color scheme that it comes in, this red, black and white look, which personally I think looks way better than the standard Newman and Keychron color schemes that you get straight out of the box. I mean, you can buy some additional customizable color caps, however they will definitely set you back some. But more importantly, I don't know about you guys, but for me, I definitely can't live without a number pad, especially as someone who works a lot within Excel. I mean, look at this, it's just so much more tedious without one. Now having used it for a couple minutes now, that tactile feel is pretty awesome. It definitely gives you a modern feeling of working on a typewriter, which you're either going to find very annoying or quite satisfying. I mean, just listen to it. It's definitely pretty sweet in my eyes. Now just as a quick size reference, comparing it to a full-size gaming keyboard, you can truly see how much space you'll save. It does actually come pretty close to an Android Bluetooth keyboard, such as this one that I use for my Samsung Deck setup. It's literally the same width as a 15-inch laptop. Shout out to Legion. Now at the bottom is where you're going to find not only the standard flip out feeds, but also the switch to toggle between Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz USB connection. Now it's pretty plain across all of the other sides, apart from on the left where you're going to find this Type-C connection port. Now as for the keyboard functions themselves, let's start things off with the main attraction, the RGB settings. The Redragon comes with 20 different RGB setups, giving you a ton of static RGB options as well as a couple different dynamic ones. Just simply hold function and hit the old button to circle through all of the options. Personally, I'll be leaving this on the neon green, but there's definitely enough variety for you guys to find something that you'll love. Now as for all of the extra keys that's gone missing, in order to save that space, what they've done is overlaid multiple functions within a single button. So if you ever need to access these, just simply hold the FN button and press the key. Such as here, the equal button, as well as being the plus symbol, is also F12. And that's exactly how you can control your music, volume levels, and even switch between multiple Bluetooth devices that you have connected. Overall, the Redragon is a sturdy piece of work, and it will definitely instantly level up your desk game. So if you're looking to add that cool factor to your setups, just like I was, I would highly recommend you guys check this one out. But what do you guys think? Cool or not? And if not, what keyboard would you recommend? If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure to like and subscribe to help support the channel. And why not check out some of my Android customization videos. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.